Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus. And today I am going to share my review of the movie review Munna Bhai M.B.B.S. Uh, I watched this movie and found it both interesting and educational. The story follows Muna who want to become a doctor and enter medical college. Throughout the story, he learned that being a good doctor is not only about having medical knowledge but also about understanding patients and treating them with kindness and respect. One of the most important lesson I learned from the movie is the value of composition and humanity and patience is not just a medical person with feeling fear the movie also show that educational should develop creator as well as knowledge. Muna faces many challenges, but his experience teach him important lesson about responsibility, honesty, friendship, and caring for other. Another message I liked was the importance of confidence and perseverance. We should continue learning and improving ourselves interested of giving up. The movie also made me think about the relationship between doctor and patient. Good communication, kindness, and respect can make a big difference. Is expenses helped me improve my English speaking, communication, personal and review skills. It also encouraged me to think about how movie can teach valuable lesson about life and security. Overall, Muna by MBBS entering meaningful and full of important life lesson. The biggest lesson I learned that knowledge is important, but kindness, empathy, and humility make a difference. Thank you for listening. My name is Ali Sultan, and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus.